Hi, I'm Nathaniel from Flemington BMW. We know your time's important, and that's why we're introducing our new mobile premium oil service. With this new service, you no longer need to bring your vehicle into our service department. Of course, we always enjoy seeing you when you visit. But now, with our premium mobile oil service, you'll no longer have to wait in our customer lounge or borrow a loaner car. Simply contact our service department at the number below to set up your premium oil service appointment. Early, on the day of your appointment, you'll receive a text message detailing the arrival time of our technician, so you're not left wondering when he'll arrive. Once our technician has reached your home or workplace, he'll again text you that he is outside, needs your car keys, and is ready to begin. You'll be happy to know BMW has totally revolutionized the way we change oil in our vehicles. It's now a cleaner, faster, and safer way to change oil. Oil changes are now performed by capturing the oil directly into a closed container, so no more oil spills or splashes that could stain your driveway. With our new clean and efficient service, there is no longer a need for rags or harsh chemicals, reducing the amount of waste and toxicity in our environment. Our on-site service visit also includes a multi-point inspection, tire rotation, pressure check, undercar and underhood inspection, as well as a complete electronic diagnostic of your vehicle. If any other service is required,
Flemington BMW service, how may I help you?
It's easy to schedule it and pick up your vehicle if needed. Anything we can do to save you time and spare you any inconvenience. Contact Flemington BMW at the number below for more information about our mobile premium oil service today. And from all of us here at Flemington BMW, thank you and have a great day.